Hello, and welcome to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about sickness because today I am sick. I have a little cough, a little bit of a sore throat. I am congested and I have a little bit of a headache. I think it's just the flu. So I stayed at home and I'm taking my time to recuperate. The problem is that I hate being still, not moving or doing anything makes me feel uneasy. I'm the type of person who needs to be doing something all the time. So, my issue is that when I need to rest, to recuperate, I don't. Just yesterday, I went to the gym and I went to the mall to walk around. And of course, today I wasn't feeling any better. But I need to learn to stay still. Otherwise, I will take way too long to recuperate. I think the worst sickness is nausea because there's nothing you can do to fix it. You can only rest and wait. The two that I think are not so bad is when I have a cough or boogers. And I have those two today. It's a little annoying, but it's not bad. What do you think? What is the worst sickness to have? Can you stay still for a day? Follow me on YouTube for more. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I bought some new shoes. They look like Uggs, but they're not. Uggs were too expensive. So I found these. They look like Uggs, but way cheaper. They are soft and comfy. And I always buy soft clothes. Soft clothes that I can wear everywhere. I always wear loose pants
big, soft shirts, and comfy shoes. I don't like to wear clothes that make me feel uncomfortable. I don't like wearing shoes that make my feet hurt. What about you? Do you prioritize your clothes to look good or to feel comfortable?
Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. I want to introduce myself today. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Tiana. I am 21 years old. I love drawing, reading, and studying languages. I also love making videos for my students to learn English slowly in an easy way. I love watching comedy movies, but I don't like watching scary movies. I didn't study at university. I like to swim or knit in my free time. A hobby of mine is dance and yoga. I love learning new yoga poses. My favorite subject is English, but I also really like biology. My least favorite subject is math. Very nice to meet you. Now it's your turn. What's your name? How old are you? What did you study at university or in school? What do you like to do in your free time? And what's your favorite subject?
Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about AI. AI builders are incredible. Take a second to think about the weirdest thing you could ask, and AI can create it. An AI therapist for houseplants, a dream journal that writes itself, a dating app based on Netflix shows or astrology. Some pretty cool ideas that you think would be hard to create. But with emergent AI, you can suggest the weirdest ideas and emergent AI can create it. Under 10 minutes, tools like emergent.sh make it possible to build these apps that fast. The tools exist. Try them today. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I will tell you the story of when I got my first tattoo. This was my first tattoo. I have always loved sea turtles because they remind me of my sister. I have always said that my sister is a sea turtle because she's so calm and kind and just wise, like a sea turtle. I got my first tattoo when I was in Tulum. It's near Cancun in Mexico. I was on my first solo trip ever. I saw a sea turtle in the ocean and I decided I was going to get a sea turtle tattoo. That's the story of how I got this tattoo. If you want to know more stories of other tattoos, let me know. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I will be knitting and showing you the difference between so and such. I am so happy. I am such a happy person. Same but different. She is so fast. She is such a fast person. Same but different. So means very, and it can go before an adjective or an adverb. So beautiful, so nice, so happy, so fast, so slow. I am so excited for Friday when I get to see my friend Lisa. Joaquin plays soccer so well. Now, such can go before an adjective plus a noun. Such a or an adjective, noun. You cannot say, she is such a beautiful. You can say, she is such a beautiful singer. She is such a beautiful girl. Singer is the noun. Girl is the noun. Such a nice house. What is the adjective and what is the noun? Nice is the adjective and house is the noun. Such a warm day. What's the adjective? Warm. What's the noun? Day. A warm day. Now it's your turn. Is this correct or incorrect? I have so nice family. False. Incorrect. How do we fix it? I have such a nice family. Next one. The baby is such happy. Incorrect. How do we fix it? The baby is so happy. Now, use so and such in the comments. I'll check and see if your sentences are correct or incorrect. Come back for our next English grammar lesson while knitting. And remember, practice English every day. Hello, and welcome to my Slow English podcast. I love listening to music. I listen to music everywhere. I use it to study languages, but my absolute favorite language to listen to music in is Portuguese. It's so smooth. It's so joyful and bright. It makes me want to dance. Portuguese as a language sounds so nice, but as music, it sounds even better. I also like how unique Chinese music is. I like listening to Chinese music every day to study and see if I recognize any words. Do you study with music? What's your favorite language to listen to music in? I love how different songs can be depending on where they come from or what language they are in. I love discovering new beats and rhythms. What are some good songs in your native language that you recommend I listen to? Comment down below.